We have already successfully uploaded our theme in our blog. You can see this actually our theme, but however in this short video I'm just changing these menus and I will add my own menus. So this actually is the dashboard of the blog, and you can see here there are several options. So we will discuss step by step in later, but I'm here interested in this layout. Layout actually shows the whole structure of our blog, and you can see here several options such as header left, header right, and main menu, and several other options. I'm basically interested main menu, and you just click this edit button. When you click edit button, you see it will open a dialog box, and here we have find several predefined menu which you can see here. So before create my own menus, first of all I'm deleting these all menus. To delete these menus I'm just selecting this, you can see here delete. So I'm deleting these all menus. So to create menus you have to write a name here, such as here new site name, and I'm basically here writing Solid Edge and then click add. Then I'm writing Excel and then click add. Then I'm writing Python, then I'm clicking add and just save. When I refresh my blog, I see now these remaining all of the option will gone, and I have seen only my own option. But actually I want some subheadings in my menu. So to make subheadings very easy, I will use underscore, and then I say, for example, I say 2D skating and then add. Then for instance I say simulation, another subheading, and then I say, for instance, generative design and then add link, and I say, for instance, for Excel solve linear equations, or I say solve equations. Just I'm here adding solve equations with this underscore and just add, and same I'm doing adding underscore here. And I say basic Python and some NumPy with underscore, and matplotlib with underscore. I am also adding underscore here. So when I refresh it, now I am refreshing my blog. You can find these all of the option I have only find in the home menu, but actually I am concerned with Python sub menus in Python, Excel submenu should be in Excel, and Solid Edge submenu in Solid Edge. So very easy, you have to go same main menu and edit it, and you find here some like of this kind of arrows if you see carefully. So I'm just selecting this down arrow and this for up arrow. For instance, when I select this arrow, so matplotlib will go down. When I select this up arrow, then matplotlib position will go up. Actually I want to matplotlib in down up to my Python. So actually okay, matplotlib and it below Python. So same as I want with NumPy, I want to subheading with below Python, and same I want to do with this basic Python. Below this, actually now I want to doing the same thing with Excel. Solve equations. Actually this is a subheadline for Excel, and so on. So I want to do generative design in Solid Edge, so I want to move down. Okay, Solid Edge and solid edge. Actually I am deleting these are options because of the shortage of time, and I want just to save it. And now I am refreshing my blog. Here you see we have successfully add our sub menu, but I want to add sub menu to inside a sub menu. So very easy. If you want to add another sub menu to sub menu, then simply say, for instance, I want to say in basic Python, I say for loop. So at this time I will add 2 time underscore. So I say, for instance, I say loop, or I say okay, I'm saying loop, and then add. So this actually in basic Python function, I say user defined function or the simple function I'm saying here. So this is in basic Python. So just to save it, and then so we basically successfully added our menus, then sub menus, and then sub menu to sub menu. So in this lecture we just be limited here, and in the next one we will put some posts. Thanks.